The ViewSonic PA504W is a versatile and high-performing projector designed for both professional and home environments. Its standout feature is the 4,000 lumens brightness, which guarantees sharp, vibrant visuals even in brightly lit rooms. This makes it an excellent choice for classrooms, offices, or living rooms where ambient light is unavoidable. The WXGA resolution ensures a crisp display at 1280 by 800 pixels, providing a clear view of text, images, and videos. While it isn't 4K, it strikes a perfect balance between performance and value for most business and home applications. One of the key advantages is its large projection capability. The PA504W can display images up to 300 inches, giving users a cinematic feel or the ability to present large-scale content to an audience without compromising clarity. The projector's vertical keystone correction feature automatically adjusts the image to eliminate distortion when it isn't placed perfectly, making setup fast and hassle-free. This feature is particularly useful in classrooms or offices where space constraints might prevent ideal positioning. Connectivity is robust. The projector comes with HDMI 1.4, USB Type-A, and VGA ports. This allows you to connect modern laptops, media players, and gaming consoles while maintaining compatibility with older devices. The HDMI input ensures high-quality digital signal transmission, while USB and VGA provide additional flexibility for a variety of setups. The PA504W is designed with portability and practicality in mind. Its lightweight build allows for easy relocation, and the quiet cooling system ensures minimal disruption during presentations or movie screenings. ViewSonic's SuperEco Mode extends lamp life up to 15,000 hours, which not only saves on replacement costs but also makes it a reliable long-term investment. Performance is consistent across multiple use cases. From business presentations to video streaming, the projector delivers vivid colors, sharp details, and excellent contrast. It's particularly adept at rendering text clearly, making spreadsheets, charts, and slides easy to read even at large projection sizes. While the built-in speaker provides sufficient sound for small gatherings, pairing it with an external audio system can enhance the experience for larger audiences or media playback. In terms of design, the PA504W favors simplicity and efficiency. It's a no-frills projector that focuses on delivering results. Its combination of brightness, long-lasting lamp, flexible connectivity, and easy setup makes it a practical choice for anyone seeking a reliable and effective projection solution. If you are looking for a projector that combines power, simplicity, and affordability, the ViewSonic PA504W is a strong contender. It is well-suited for offices, schools, and home environments, offering bright, detailed, and reliable projections every time. If you want to get your hands on the ViewSonic PA504W 4000 lumens WXGA high brightness projector with vertical keystone, HDMI 1.4, USB 2.0 Type-A, and VGA inputs for home and office, check the link in the description below.